And so having Internet of Things sensors installed that show data in real time lets you see how much progress you've made on specific opportunities to reducing your emissions, where there might be room for more improvement, to help make the business case where installing equipment might be cost effective still, and making kind of a plan for 5-10 years from now, what you would need to do if you wanted to get all the way to net zero.
So obviously EMIS technology has been around for a while, but are there certain gaps or limitations from the traditional EMIS systems that you're hoping Stewwi will kind of like find its own fit? What is it designed to address differently?
Yeah, it's really focused on action and where you can have a meaningful impact on reducing emissions. So traditional EMIS systems try to install sensors on way too much equipment, and that's both costly in terms of the equipment that you need to buy. It's a lot of time invested in maintaining all those sensors, and in the end it's not really effective because clients need to spend so much time sifting through a huge amount of data to actually find the valuable data that helps them make decisions. And where Stewwi really shines is that we implement opportunities into Stewwi that we found by walking through the facility and measuring the processes. We put those opportunities in Stewwi, and then we can track the progress of those opportunities with sensors and see how companies are making progress. So with air compressors as an example, the actual data might show that on a weekend or at nights when you wouldn't be expecting production to be running, there's still compressed air being used, and that might be a trigger to intervene and say, let's do a compressed air leak audit to have the system working more optimally.